Welcome to The Explainer. If you've ever felt stuck with just the basics of SEO and you're wondering how to get real career-building results, then this is definitely for you. Today, we're breaking down the 30-day SEO Mastery Journey from SEOSiri, a program designed to bridge that exact gap. So, let's kick things off with a question I'm pretty sure a lot of us have faced. You've read the articles, you've watched the tutorials, you've even got your keyword list, and now what? You kind of hit this wall, right? How do you actually turn all that theory into tangible results that make a difference for a website? And that's exactly where this program begins. It's designed to push you past just knowing the terms and into the strategic part of it all, building a real, actionable blueprint for your SEO career. This slide really just nails the core difference. Think about it like this. Your basic SEO knowledge, that's your starter kit. It's like laying the concrete foundation for a house. Super important for sure, but it's not the whole structure. The mastery journey, well, that's about giving you the full blueprint to build everything else. The walls, the electrical, the roof, the whole shebang. Now, this whole program was created by SEOSiri's founder, Momenul Ahmad, and his goal is crystal clear. This isn't about just cramming more facts into your head. It's about a guided path to transform what you already know into a practical, hands-on skill that can genuinely define your career. All right, so what's actually inside this journey? Let's pull back the curtain and take a look at the blueprint and all the tools you get when you sign up. The heart of the program is the video course. You're getting 7 in-depth videos that really expand on the starter materials. They walk you through every single key part of the 30-day roadmap. But hey, this is way more than just a set of videos. It's a complete toolkit designed to get you doing, not just watching. You get a detailed ebook, a printable checklist to keep you on track day by day, a whole pack of professional templates you can use immediately, and of course, the chance to earn a verifiable skills badge at the very end. Let's zero in on these templates for a second, because this is huge. This is where theory really meets practice. These aren't just samples you look at for inspiration. They are ready-to-use, professional documents for things like mapping out content, reaching out for guest posts, and even creating those monthly performance reports for clients. So here's a map of your learning path over the 30 days. It kicks off with a hands-on mission in week 1, then dives deep into crucial skills like understanding user intent and structuring your content. From there, you build up your technical SEO know-how and, maybe most importantly, you learn how to actually track and measure your success. Okay, so after all that learning, what's the big payoff? Well, this is all about turning your new skills into something you can actually prove you have on your resume. And this detail right here is key. The entire course is structured to be the official study guide for the SEOSiri SEO assessment exam. Everything you learn is directly tied to getting you prepped and ready for that certification. And once you pass that exam, boom, you get a professional certificate of completion and a digital skills badge. These are real assets you can immediately add to your resume, to your LinkedIn profile, things that concretely demonstrate your expertise to anyone looking. But that's not all. On top of the core course and the certification, there's also an exclusive bonus thrown in, and it's designed to help you start building out your professional portfolio right away. Do get a free subscription to the SEOSiri Author Starter Pack. This is an awesome, practical tool to help you immediately apply everything you've learned. You can publish your own content and start building your own professional brand in the SEO space. And this just breaks down the value of that bonus for you. A subscription that would normally be $25 a month is included, free. This gives you the power to publish articles, get an author link back to your own site, and create an indexed author page, all of which are fantastic for building your authority online. So we've walked through the blueprint, the tools, the certification, and the bonus. The next logical step, really, is figuring out how you can begin your own transformation. I think the biggest takeaway here is to see this as more than just another course. It's a direct investment in your career. It's all about building a practical skill that can genuinely pay dividends down the line. Which really brings us to the final question, doesn't it? Are you ready to make that shift from just passively learning about SEO to actively building a real career with it? That's what this whole journey is designed for, turning theory into tangible professional results. If you're ready to get started, you can begin your journey today. To enroll in the 30-day SEO Mastery Journey with Momenul Ahmad, just head over to SEOSiri.com. We've also dropped a direct link right in the description for you.